The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another very special episode. I'm your host Joe Man.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people. But before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment, and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. And do one more thing first, though.
Share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get us 6 subscribers, because if each and every one of you guys can manage this, the dramatic part, the dramatic part. But if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, do you know how many subscribers that would get us by the end of the day?
But it's Reggae Boys time again. Take on Greneda tomorrow. And if you're watching this on the day, then we obviously will take on Greneda in a couple hours. And if you're watching it after tomorrow,
We took on Grenada.
we took on Greneda in the past. I don't even know when you're watching. But yeah, we have Greneda in the Nations League, bro. We're going to talk about it. A couple things have transpired after our last video. Bijan Richards is now in the squad. Cephas ticket no buy or something like that. Mikel Antonio out. Ethan Pinnock confirmed. That confirms Ethan Pinnock is still out. What go on? What go on with it? Why things can't just smooth sometimes? It's almost like every time we say, alright, things good there now, something just happened. Let's start.
First of all, Mikel Antonio, bro.
They say you want to start? That's for last still, you know. Because at 39 we have some things to say. Make us start with the easy one. Whisper getting it included in the squad. What do you make of that? I'm already a student. Some people will say, you already say you're not including because you not play football. You still not play football. What change? You know, I'm sure that will be real enough for a lot of people talk. So, what do you make of it? Are going back on his word?
Well, he has gone back on his word, you know, because there are other players to replace Mikel Antonio who are playing football at a higher level than
at a high enough level.
Yeah. Or even just like playing football, not even at a high level. We have USL strikers, you know, we have serious strikers, you know, we have strikers playing in Scandinavia, we have strikers all over the world that could have replaced Antonio. And you have to do it with Bijan Richards. Now, this could be a financial decision. This could be, you know, encouraged by the federation, considering that for them to have to
suggested by,
you know, book a emergency ticket, an emergency ticket from say Italy to get you in Chavanto store. That might have been more than they could have handled. And Bijan Richards, you know, is a young player, you know, a player on the fringe, maybe good enough to make the team, but because he's not playing the ball, that's why he never make the team. But now the opportunity to open up, look at you.
Yeah, and
so he did go back on his word, but I'm also fine with his conclusion.
Yeah, and the thing is, I think it's a financial decision. I feel like that's what it is. It's easy to make that decision. It's a Caribbean. We will be playing both games in the Caribbean. And also, I've been thinking about this. If arguments say I'm having 26 on our record, right? Let's just say 26. It really should have got 30, but let's say I'm having 30. Let's work with 30. Arguments say I'm having 30. When I really look for much more unless them can move the needle to a point where take over the top or whatever. But I'm not going to disrupt the squad just to include somebody because they might be a little bit better than somebody else working on my system. If that is the case, and you must say, I don't even want to go look for somebody when I get them debut right now. I don't even want to go give nobody, like, I'm not trying to give nobody the debut.
I don't need a rotation debut.
Yeah, I don't need a rotation debut. And I don't need to bring in someone that wouldn't start. If you think about it, he would be, if I bring in somebody for Mikel Antonio, that is Mikel Antonio's spot.
Yep, for sure.
So he's going to bring in someone behind Nicholson, behind Whisper probably, because Whisper is like he's a part of the Reggae Boys squad right now. So instead
definitely another 30 the way it up.
Definitely in the 30. So instead of bringing in one of my 30, I would go and search for somebody to give them a debut. It probably would cost more. You know, Whisper is already here, one flight. I don't know if they're straight flights, but to go to Grenada, I can't be super expensive or
Yeah,
much more
probably a
expensive than
striker.
getting somebody from England or So that's my perspective on it. I understand if it's a financial decision. I think it is a financial decision, and I'm okay with it. I feel like it's the same thing with who was the player last time? The goalkeeper.
Kemar Foster.
I feel like it's a similar situation.
Who's also been involved in this team as well.
Yeah, so Kemar Foster, similar situation. Who else? Who else I can think about? Another one who is not playing football, but I'm assuming he's training, is Demario Phillips, who plays for Mount Pleasant.
Well, I mean, his season hasn't started yet. That's but the JPL is coming. Coming very soon.
So he should be
in a couple of weeks. Yeah. He's
Um,
in preseason right now.
Yeah. But yeah, that's as far as I have no problem with Whisper being included. I like the inclusion of Whisper. I wanted him to be included with Antonio. I didn't think he should have been a replacement player. I feel like he should have been in the squad originally. This is what we're working. We get our squad and work with it. Obviously, it's a little bit harder because the kid now play professional football yet, and people are work hard to get in the squad.
Yeah.
So, but I get it, and I agree with Al Gibson. Get Whisper in the squad, man, because he will be important for us in what we are trying. This is what Nations League.
Bro, this should be the last call up before he's playing football.
That's what I'm talking about. He's not gonna play in November because he can't. I guess him can't join the squad until January technically. But in the next year, he will be playing in this Nations League.
Yeah.
Whisper will be playing in this Nations League while he's on his professional contract officially in Chelsea. Whether he's playing football like under 20, whatever it is. November will be the last time Whisper is getting called up while he's in Jamaica. So he will be a part of the squad, and I'm good with it. As I say, if I want time to go back for your word, and it's fine, it's right now. It's win this decision. Another one is it's cited as travel. I forgot to read what them say. But Ronaldo Cephas not being in Grenada right now to play with this Reggae Boy squad. The reason has something to do with his flight. Apparently complications. What do you make of this?
My opinion might differ from the masses, but I also have a gripe with Ronaldo Cephas. People would know.
Bro, just address this now.
People would know from he was called up and refused his call up because he wanted to get acclimated with his club. But still hold on to that. Sorry, I hold a grudge.
Alright, address this now.
So
independently.
First of all,
yeah,
nothing no go so.
What do you mean?
Once a situation is biased, it is perpetually biased.
No, bro.
Don't ever make a man feel the same
man.
and put him bias aside.
You can't put your biases aside.
It is a lie.
You can't.
An absolute lie.
Some people are, but most people aren't able to put their biases aside. You can look upon this objectively and say,
this situation, fine, but also, bro, Ronaldo Cephas is a player that I don't think is a massive part of what we're trying to achieve right now. A good player definitely earned his call up.
Yeah.
Without a doubt.
Leading goal scorer, I think, in his league or his club.
Without a doubt. Playing European football,
man.
definitely earned his call up.
Yeah.
But if it is that the federation is strapped for cash or strapped financially, and some loose ends have to get clipped, if that's the case, where them just couldn't make it work, them couldn't find a ticket for under 35 ringgit. And you say, fine. You get me? I say, the ticket them from there, so a 7 grand? I don't know. See if I saw the 7 grand.
Bro, I don't think it's a case where them not have the money to it. This is what I believe.
Talk to me.
Man, them are well out to see a ticket drop that. Obviously, we are expecting.
And then for the Google Flights.
We are speculating. No, but it must go with my gut.
When I'm going for the Google Flights,
it is very unprofessional.
Weird.
Obviously, the call up, I think
came the 6th, but they would have been notified before. I'm sure.
Right. Maybe say 3 or 2 days before.
Yeah.
Before the 6th, when the final squad must be selected to come, and you have 8 days to the actual game. It's very unprofessional to not have the flight booked because he was in the squad, which means that they were preparing to have him.
All the flights should be booked.
If it was a case where you were saying when them just can't afford, the man them not including from job.
No,
because them cannot buy a ticket from wherever I'm there in the coldest part of England, in Europe right now.
I must say them probably.
He was included, bro. The man watch his flight drop.
Them probably.
The man watch his flight drop. It have to be that the man watch his flight. Right, he probably up on the 4 grand line. And they must say, boy, go buy 3.5. Probably I drop to 3.7 and they must say, we need to buy it. No, isn't it?
And then the next one I said, no, man, I go to 33.
Yeah, bro. And when I call, I said, Mr. Chung, I buy it. No, not yet. You know what I'm saying? Give us a day. Put on the alert for this line. You know what I'm saying? All jokes aside, I feel like, man, the money should be there. That's what. The money should be there. You see me? We have sponsors. I think the JFF bankrupt right now. Obviously, what I say the JFF is a business. I can't say they're operating in the greens or the blues, however they look at their figures, but they are definitely in the red right now. But come on, man. You're supposed to can book a flight for a man come for a return round trip for the man fly from Europe to come here. And if you look on it, we book Shaman Nichols flight from France. Mikel Antonio did come from England. We book Michael Hector from England.
Alright.
Expensive flights, yes.
No, but you name the way I thought. That's what I said. So probably them did say we need to, but then when you look on it and say,
Not do the man that, bro. Not do the man that. Don't tell the
because
man that.
they're going to Grenada with 21. They're not going to 23.
Bro, me not make an excuse for them like that.
I said I'm not making an excuse. I'm just telling you that it's a case so them probably weigh the options and they must say, yo.
Not do the man that, bro. The man work hard to get him called up. And you call him, you notify that he's being called to the national team. Then how you make a call now? Obviously people again are speculating. How you make a call after that now and say, yo, we can't afford the ticket?
Or, you know, some technical difficulties, we couldn't get the ticket in time. Like that.
Nah, bro, I don't like it. And it's probably more to the situation. It's probably a case where, the flights would have taken
and probably,
too long.
and probably there was only one flight out of that airport at this particular time. Probably there's some semantics like that.
Yes, but obviously we have to go with welcome to mind. Welcome to mind, it's just that the man wait for the ticket to drop. Straight up.
And you rush to put him biases aside, people. But when this brother make him move and him get him called up,
bro, people can't make mistakes, you know, brother. You kill somebody forever. Why would you still see Cephas in the national stage when never address him? Because I know you still see Cephas in the national stage.
I didn't even know Cephas look is not the truth.
Stop it, foolish.
I swear to God, if you look at Cephas right now, I don't know Cephas.
Just stop now. Quit while you're in. Stop right now. Me and you got on it, I will see Cephas. If me see Cephas right now, I look at him and say, why you never take your first call up? Who am I to box me in my face? Why am I not do it? Because I say you have strength, bro. In front of the thousands. Why am I not do it? I say you have strength in your
but say, obviously, I'm not going to see him because I never get come. But we're supposed to play again in the winter. If I see Cephas, I'm going to look at him and say, bro, I tell you, because me, the other day, I'm at the stadium. I see Christopher Taylor, popular sports match journalist.
Good journalist.
Yeah, I like the work with him for the most part. But him being I say some weird-ish, as Uncle would say, as Shannon would say, you get me I say? Some bull jive.
Yeah.
But whisper, and him I say, whisper up to the level. Me see Christopher Taylor, me I say, oh, Mr. Taylor, respect the work we do, you know. But they say some things about whisper where me fervently disagree with that. I think of foolishness they attack. I mean, him there, we're talking out of a good discussion, him saying point, he never swayed me. But in making point, you get me I say, we and him talk on a reason like two mature adults. If I see you first, I tell you the truth, you know, bro. If I'm me, they have your anger still in the virgin. I don't know if me that forgive you so soon, you know. Because you get the one move, you know. And the nation call on you and you turn on me hate it, you know. I don't like it, you know.
First of all, you know when Cephas did get called, it wasn't an official call up. I don't think it was. I think it was an invite to the camp.
The man did get called up, bro. I think the man get called up. It was a tour overseas. The man get called up, Virgin, and the man say, nah, go, bro. One of them overseas, it's an unofficial tour, but one of them, it wasn't a camp to come back to Jamaica.
So you care about them game or not?
I care about every game I care about every single game I reggae boys. What are you talking about? Reggae boys not play, I don't care. Every game I care about. I did care about it, of course.
I may say,
so I never there stadium and stress out. Let me you there stadium and stress.
Never there. But let bygones,
you're never there.
Let bygones be.
But me there text you for the whole game.
Let bygones be.
I said I'm so frustrated.
Let bygones be. And yes, me not like a man turning down a call up. Don't get me wrong. Hate it. Come and play when you get called. But bro, the man,
especially like when you just get
the man probably apologize already to the team. I wouldn't know. Come on, bro.
Bro, but he not apologize.
Here we do.
I'm not saying he shouldn't be called up, you know.
Yeah.
I say if I'm me have the angle
Yeah,
But not talk about emotion, not career,
change the
bro.
man career.
As in,
Because of that, yeah, do.
you end up a Galatasaray or like Ajax or...
Shamanicals do the same.
Bro, when Shamanicals went...
When him go to Russia.
Bro, but Shamanicals don't play for the country much time.
See, they no, yeah, change what you say now.
I'm not change what you say.
Shamanicals, what are the Shamanicals?
As a little bit sweet, bro, you get a call up, you take it, bro.
No, don't put the levels,
First of all, I'm going to pull the levels, yeah.
No, don't.
Second of all, I never beat Shamanicals.
Yeah, but
so
you're not
why
holding it over him now. Same way. You're not holding it over. Right now, Shamanicals.
But Shamanicals score much goal for Jamaica, bro. You pay dues, bro.
No.
Shamar have credit in the bank.
Here we say.
There's such a thing as credit in the bank.
I understand.
I beat Shamanicals when him do it.
I watch it now.
So don't make it like someone never beat it.
Well, when I get to me, I say never beat it. What me I say is now.
Cephas not the credit in the bank.
Not hold it over him.
Because he don't have any credit in the bank.
See, I kill
like
him for that.
Mariapa, you know how much credit Mariapa have in the bank?
Mariapa
so inside personal reasons, bro. You take your personal reasons and make sure you come back next time for all when you can't make with team.
So like
because Mariapa have credit in the bank.
No, bro.
Of course.
What's Cephas there?
He not do me nothing.
The man probably reason with the coach. Hold on, the man probably reason with
the coach. But with me, Rush. Me not argue with the wrong to call
watch
him,
it,
bro.
So when you see him,
me not say Cephas
watch
get
it
called up.
You see when you see Cephas,
I'm gonna go to him.
Reason with him, bro. But as for now, you must adjust this objectively, brother.
Someone just tell you so, yo.
But you still are bringing the fact.
No, I'm say if it's a case where they do the books, you did talk about.
Yeah,
but you did talk about ticket from France and all of them places. First of all, let's see if it's the way more obscure than England. Because England and France are 1-3. You have direct flight from England to Kingston and direct flight from England to Mobile. Yeah. You have flight from...
They come to Jamaica.
Eh? But may I say, forget a ticket from them place there. $1,200 or $1,300. But for some other obscure place there, bro, as in if him good enough to make the 23, then him worth it, bro.
Buy the money.
But may I say, if it's a case
so that's it,
where something have to give, bro.
It shouldn't be a case where anything has to
fine.
give. Alright, our federation should be able to.
There should be.
So done this up.
But we do have the most competent federation.
But no, you gotta say, alright, if it's a case where somebody needs to get
the federation buy the man ticket now.
Straight up.
23 players must travel to Grenada.
Yeah.
We not fly to Grenada with 21. No time. Somebody fall out, somebody else get called up back and for them ticket must buy. So to go to Grenada with 21 players. Unfortunate. And I like Steve. But make it to the right 21 for 21 now.
After Ronaldo Cephas now. Maps.
Yeah, bro, I'm saying my personal reason. What more is there to say? more of everything I heard.
Yo, you're corrupt in that.
I'm corrupt.
You're corrupt. Look at your kill Cephas while ago.
We the top one tone yet.
We the top one tone yet. So why?
No, Maps alright.
So where's the Maps? Full of credit at the bank.
Oh God, man. Right now, Maps have the most credit at the bank.
Yeah, I agree. Unfortunately.
Personal reasons, bro.
I love to disagree with him on this, but I trust Maps.
Bro, people need day off sometimes.
No, I don't day off, man. I just feel like something for real. Like, you know the way there? You know,
yeah, bro, like,
something you believe in. I believe at something where.
I don't know if I believe him. I'm not even think about it if you try to see it.
Watch it.
Not one point I said, Judge, I'm one that's my right. But as far as me concerned, could I be true?
Well,
man,
it's
can
like
get
that
it
game where them can big time, though. Them can big time, like. Them can say, yo, no important enough, man, I come. Well, I know. When I see Maps come them game, bro?
All the time.
Which is why now when him now come and
no, I don't think him a big time the game, bro. Because as me say,
I don't think him at
this competition, like other competition to win the competition. So I don't think nobody a big time the competition. But I think
I get Antonio.
a man probably I say, yo, bro, I don't know that. The league one rougher than a whole heap of game them playing a league one and near 50 game them playing in the football league, you know. So just me say him not injured, so I go play and him play a weekend gone.
Everybody play weekend gone.
Exactly.
It's not an injury, I not say injury, but personally they can't stop it from playing for club.
So all if the man I say, yo, right now, I don't think like Grimmy, I don't think I can.
No, I'm not take that.
I don't think.
No, I'm not take that. I'm not take. Me I go play. Me I go run out in a league one. But I can't come play Nations League for Jamaica. I'm not that. Sorry.
Ethan Pinnock do?
Sorry. No, Ethan Pinnock a rest. Him not play in the Premier League either.
Ethan Pinnock play, bro.
Yeah, him play, but no, him a rest. Him a rest. No injury.
That them say?
Yeah, him a rest.
But you say you can't say, oh, somebody run out on the weekend and then not.
No,
Ethan
me I talk about.
And Ethan not play weekend.
If he's going to weekend no match now play. Me I say if the next match Maps to play. If the next match. I don't remember. Come in.
Him play for Salford.
City. Yeah. If Maps run out weekend I come.
while the
Me never feel
international
away.
break are going.
Never feel away because if you can't make it for your game, then why you can't make it for this game? Or maybe it's a case where you can't be closer to your family or whatever.
7,000 miles away.
No, but that's never been a problem before. And if it's personal, obviously the personal reason could be, oh, something with my family, my son's sick, more one day. So yeah, me can go play.
Right, that's not like
4 miles
the
away.
World Cup Eton,
But
you know,
fine,
which
I
are
get that.
perfectly fine.
I get that. But if it's a case where, as you are saying, we just have to take that one off, give
Fine
me.
with it.
Me not good with that, bro.
I'm fine with it.
No, me not good with
Fine
that.
with it.
Me not good with that. And Maps is that player.
People need personal days.
How much personal day you get?
Yeah, people need personal days.
Take it for every club too.
People need personal days.
Come represent the country.
Yeah,
Somebody,
yeah.
me not excuse
I'm fine with 6 days, but you know when you get a new job, bro, you're not getting a vacation leave until you work a year, bro. And then every year after that, it just pile up down and you get more and more, bro. The same thing. Mario have credit in your bank, bro.
You might have credit in the bank.
I know Bobby have little credit in your bank too, bro.
Bobby not.
Cause Bobby is like Bobby, no, but man say if a man like Bobby say, yo, boom. Cause Bobby come, bro. Bobby score against Grenada and Bobby score against everybody, bro. I wish him score against everybody still. But Bobby come and him play. You get me? I say.
I agree with that. Me, you know.
Damian Lowe can cite personal reasons if you want.
No,
I don't need a reason from Damian Lowe if you want to around again. Don't make it be a habit.
Rest.
Don't make it be a mean way.
I like. I'm
And
gonna say the
human
big
being
time,
too,
bro.
bro.
Because a big time that England are calling, yeah, go, bro. You're not a big time England. You're not cite no personal reason to stay back from England. It's either you're injured or you need a injured and need a rest. Nothing else or your family sick or something.
Bro,
very
you
important.
know me that.
You're
You
not
know
big time
the
England.
thing with the UEFA too, bro. UEFA are one of the like most like packed confederations with most teams, but they're also the smallest confederation. They're the smallest
Are they?
confederation. Yeah,
What do you mean smallest in terms of
in
teams?
terms of landmass.
Oh.
We just tell us they have one whole heap of team.
From the zone.
South America the smallest.
fine.
South America have 11 teams. But UEFA have enough team, right? But they're the smallest. Well, obviously you count Russia, but Russia are just one minuscule. Russia were big, like you get me as a
I guess
continent
on
itself.
facts they're not.
No, but they still are.
Still are?
Yeah, you get me I said in terms of bro, Asia are the biggest continent in the world. Oceania, that have Australia, which are the biggest landmass in India, whatever. Africa, that in terms of landmass where people have to travel. Africa is massive, that's probably the biggest one. We have to travel. You get from it's South Africa, have to play Egypt in a World Cup qualifying. That's like I said, 8 hour flight. You get me I said? And then not to mention when you have to go.
You know the people I'm gonna call out if I'm mad.
If I'm madness, me I talk.
Yeah,
I assume.
Yeah, them not really. I take your word for it.
Who me?
They must even stop telling me things.
Eh?
You see that comment already?
Oh no, but bro, that
Man must even stop telling me things.
that man the comment did say BMO. Me get the capacity wrong by 4,000.
Stop.
Be you really for real,
The
bro?
man must even stop telling
And
me.
I like say BMO was like 60,000. I'm say like a 25,000, bro.
I think you said 25, but it was like 4.
We say 26, and the capacity at 30.
But I said,
expandable.
Jesus Christ. Carry on. Anyways,
Wait no man.
so you're not searching to keep the people engaged, Bridget? You know what? Dating.
Yeah, 30,000.
Yeah, idea for
30,000 expandable to
So
5.
they wrong by 4 grand.
Yeah, bro.
But you're wrong. So what?
No, so me tell you something.
So you did a fight the man in the comment section? So you love war, you know? You did
No,
fight the man
bro, but me I just say, yo, bro, you make it look like that.
just say you're wrong, bro. Just say you're wrong. Why you want come? Just say you're wrong. Sorry, my boss. Thanks for the correction. Man, say if you stop telling me things, bro. You ever come and tell me wrong things, bro. Cool, no? How much you carry on the James Stadium worth?
I don't know. I know that. Cricket stadium still. Africa
Most
to
world league.
Egypt. All of this will just make an obscure point tonight. You win, okay? The estimation.
Bro, I don't want you wrong.
But the estimation would be fine in this situation, you know.
So look out for you,
But
man.
Pandit that 8 hours and 15 minutes.
You get that one.
Pandit that.
You get that one. You get that
Pandit
one.
that. You get me? I say,
Hello, bro.
So as I say, in a one confederation, if Egypt have to play South Africa in the World Cup qualifying, the 8-hour flight, and then you think about France and England have to play a match in a Euro qualifying.
Yeah.
They might go fly, you know. But they can drive on the bus to that, bro. You get me? I say you can drive on the
Why
bus.
like?
So that's why we
like
talk about-
Azerbaijan or
huh?
something.
All right there. It's all right there. It's all right there. Europe are just one little teeny place. You get me? So the furthest you have, as I say, if you have to play Russia didn't even involve in that no more. Because sometimes Russia might want to take you go all the way over yes or all the way over yes. But besides, you take Russia outside, Europe would have been by far.
So what's the point?
The point is, you are talking about nobody now big time. It's not a matter of big time England, bro. If you like, as first of all of the England ball of them, not all people. Obviously, there are very, very few exceptions. I think 2 exceptions, right? Tamori and Kane. Right now, who else? Besides them 2 there. So everybody play in the country. You just jump on a bus and go to London, bro. That's it, dog. And then you take a 2-hour flight, go a 3-hour flight, go to the furnace.
I'm making though. Yeah,
Mario, for goodness sake, bro, I don't want to fly over the Atlantic now, bro. I've been on this for a decade, bro. Give me 1 week.
Yeah, that's not the point I was making either. I never had the proximity point, man. Not talk about the levels point.
Yeah, but
so if it was, yeah, say proximity, I make distance coming.
Yes, so
I never the distance point. I make the levels point. So I'm not take England out there. Him now big time Argentina. If I did Argentina and play for him, not come. Nobody now side personal reason for not play for Argentina. They could have done as far as they want there. Nobody now side personal reason for not play for Brazil, bro. It just not happen. So unless it's like a really important issue, I don't like it. If it's just, me just can't bother now, I don't like it, man. I don't care who you are. Come and play. No, people are human. Humans are humans, bro. People have life issues.
Sometimes Messi just say, yo, Virgin, that you play rough. And not go.
If one person can do it,
recently Messi started saying, a couple times when Messi just say, he want to stay and again, now to work on some recovery, him still play on the weekend and never make the trip.
Watch it now.
Because Messi have credit in the bank. He have credit in the bank, bro.
But that's not something I like it. But I say, you not get done, you know. But one person do it. Nobody else know how to do that, bro. Nobody else know how to do that. Matter of fact, some of them man call up even sure, bro. So honestly, the point I make is not that that's what Mariappa is doing. I honestly feel like something. I honestly feel like something.
Him believes that Mariappa genuinely have a personal reason. And I'm saying,
yeah. Some of them man I think are big time.
I'm saying, me not even stop and say, Jaja, wonder if something really happened.
Some of them will be him
say personal reasons, it could have been I can't bother jump on a flight. I would have been fine with it. With Adrian Mariappa, I would have been fine with it.
Me need a Caribbean game from Mikel Antonio. And that's how we're going now. Me need a Caribbean game.
We get it now, Gold Cup.
No, that's a Gold Cup that's playing in America. That is a tournament and a big tournament. Yeah. Me talk about me need a Caribbean game from Mikel Antonio. Show me say you're committed for real.
Antonio travel gonna see a few nation. World Cup qualifiers for Central America alone him travel. And him even come on them too.
Not sure you, bro.
Bro. Right now I done with Mikel Antonio. I tell you to you know.
I get emotional, father. I get emotional. I really think about it. Nah. Because I could have gone there and just meet him and all still. But I take it, man. I take that one. You don't do it. Think again and go again.
Damn.
I'm push you.
I'm done that.
You're not done, bro. You want Mike back in it. You want Mike back in it. And I think I probably, they man ever injured still in the dog. I'm telling you, the man they go to a book leaf, you know.
Man run out and still get him near 80 on the weekend, same way, dog. All in a sudden, and a press conference right here, so the man are forward, bro.
So I must something.
And the man now forward, bro, Jim.
I must something, though.
I hope say something, bro, but I lose that, I lose it, bro.
No, man, this really a push me now, cause I'm not gonna say I'm done with him, but come on, man. If we are trying to do this 2026 thing, yeah.
So I think if I see Nicky, I'm going to ask him to make him come play last 4 games. And then first time, man, I miss 4 straight games for the country too, you know.
November?
Bullshit nonsense.
Of course, for my channel, you. Anyways. Yeah, Mikel Antonio missing, so I think personal reasons are also I think. Where you say you don't love it?
Can't love it, bro.
But Mike, you have credit in your bank, bro.
Not like my rapper. Don't even dare go put Mikel Antonio to
and you start putting other people now. Me I say man credit.
I'm using credit in bank already. As him get it, him use it.
Man, boss one versus America still in the
But me say as soon as him get him credit, when do after him boss?
Sometimes injury.
When do after him boss one versus America?
I never order them a personal.
Bro, me hear one time say dogs same yeah come man him now, but come can't travel with him. Chance out of beats, bro.
Before that's like the World Cup qualifiers. But I think him the injured one time personal reasons. Again, personal reasons. But regardless, too much personal reasons. You don't like too much personal reasons.
That's why I say build up him credit and him crack on versus USA and him
Go on,
do it
yes,
when
yes,
Salvador
Yeah.
and him just spend back him credit same time.
You know, for save credit.
Him not save up him credit, bro.
You know, for save credit.
Him not save up him credit.
I'm only save still now, but you have to save credit to my father.
You have to save up the credit. Like Maps and Bobby Reed, them are like Bobby Reed, save
Nah,
up
use
him
them
credit.
credit.
Good, bro. You
Half
know
of them man, the
you
credit
don't have
score.
to use the credit.
Mikey credit scoring at the 500s, you know.
You see, because me not have nobody in America like that, when I study the American credit score. It's a flex, you try to flex for me, is why you have people are foreign. Cause me tell you,
Bro,
so me know
I know I'm
credit
going
score.
very low while I'm going just so that you understand.
But me don't know the standard.
I could have got one body if you have 700 plus.
So suppose $1,000 are good.
$1,000.
1,000 credit score. What is good credit score? What is bad
I
credit?
can have 700 plus. But I got 500 because I don't
So
want even.
what is the max?
I don't know what the max. But I know say I have 700 plus to have a good credit.
700. What the unit? 700 credit.
700 points, I think. I don't know.
So you
But I know say
know,
700. You
it's
have a credit score of 700 up. If you are touching at 800 now, I say you can pull on a fat one. See me. You get me? I say, come on, come graph it
tell
off.
me about 500.
But you know, so we make it well obvious while ago.
Oh,
but
as in obvious by context, we understand. But
yeah,
that's
so
what
I say
500 even mean, bro.
You answer a question. You just claim say you can't answer a question.
Bro, but you come talk about credit
say why you have
score.
credit
So true,
score?
you have people there foreign where
Who
use
say me have
credit
people are
because
foreign?
basically that's what you try to do people them to people. You see, true, we don't have nobody.
Oh, you know that?
You see, true, we don't have nobody where they're foreign. I don't even know what is
Bro, we
credit
literally
score.
attack
So him a try flex to him.
30% of the people that watch our channel are in America
And
and,
they know about
Canada,
credit.
bro.
And them have good credit.
And UK, yeah.
And them have good credit.
And them have good credit.
People, if you
Make sure you
not,
have good credit.
yeah, if you not watch for America, tell me the
Why your
credit
credit
score.
score? Jamaica have credit score and them something.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you, bro,
Jamaica, I say. Why credit score?
bro, hear me as a man youth.
So, you
Hear
live
me
in
as a
Jamaica.
man,
You know
you-
an excuse for that.
What is your credit score?
I don't want to disclose that right now.
Same. We don't want to disclose that. Either.
Alright, what with it?
We are talking about the man them we build up them credit in a bank.
Yeah.
Nana have enough credit.
Blakey.
Blake use up some of them credit.
Blakey use up
bro.
some of credit.
I tell you, so Blake
But then
use some
again,
of
see
them credit,
Blakey
bro.
time, couple time it was him sick. You see me I say? Couple time I think he did stay a Philly. He did stay a Philly one time.
Blake use some of them credit.
But Blakey still have credit. But I don't really want to see Blakey miss no more game for next 4 windows.
Blake can't miss no more.
Injury alone.
Injury alone.
Or family issue. Alright.
You know it. Yeah, bro, but it can't just be MLS rough still. No. Come. Messi against Bolivia, Messi there on the match card as assistant coach. So the man still them call it them 23 same way.
Full time now start call Maps as assistant coach.
Yeah. You can start that now.
No Maps are doing badge there.
And free up a spot.
Free up pass back, bro. Maps now play, bro.
I'm missing out now.
You didn't see Maps last time? Brother, Maps even look like he want to play. Maps just there to talk to his dogs. I want to give Maps him on top.
Maps in jersey there, everything
Is game jersey?
clean.
You get it signed?
I get it signed. We plan to get it signed that time, you know, but on the side personal reason.
No, but him not come. We're not the game, Jamaica.
Yeah, but them have to come Jamaica. But some of them be like Greg Lee go straight to Greneda still. Some other one.
But November them are forward. Think of next game.
But yeah, bro, my thing is,
yeah.
Bobby Reed, enough credit in your bank.
Liam Bailey?
Enough credit in your bank.
Liam Bailey have a little credit still, but I don't really want to see Liam Bailey miss the international game.
Not yet,
Guy,
bro.
oh,
Yeah, bro.
Liam Bailey, oh, you know?
Yeah, bro, but bro, them man they will me talk, you know. Them man they play 50 games or more. If you play 50 games or more, I don't know if Bobby reach 50 yet. But Bobby Reed must reach
Bobby
close.
enough. Bobby have enough. Wait,
Now go
enough
look.
caps.
But you see when you reach 50 or more, dog, you do a personal. When you reach 35,
Yeah.
you get some credit. When you reach 50, you get some credit, bro.
Alright.
As I said, they may alone use none of them credit.
Alright, we'll talk about the game now, cause enough of this. Who are you excited to see?
People will say, oh, the man just cut me off a while ago, and then when I go look for me and say, me are the disrespectful and me are inside all of the violence and the eruption, you know. You see how me attack and you just cut me off a while ago? And then when I say, I want to get up and leave and resign now,
You wanna go on? I mean, make all our money. People don't really have the money like that. Too.
Oh, just 22 watching play for Jamaica. Bobby, you know no credit. Come on, ready. Move on.
What are you looking forward to see against Grenada?
Just better football. You know.
What? Who?
Oh, who?
Better football, you want to see, you know. You see me better football, link up.
You know what? Who may I look forward to see?
Me talk fast. Who?
Liam Bailey, as usual. Devon Richards. My favorite again boy. Andre Blake. No one if the man get Jamal the way to run again. Against Grenada. Wouldn't fight it. Damian Lowe need a redemption tour.
Man look good in a dog.
Yeah, but no man, him need to last window. Him need to that window.
You know who need
He
it?
need to score a goal and
More than
play
anybody else?
Bowser.
Me about Bowser.
He need a goal.
Bowser get 3 assists in a 4 game. You know?
He man play good man.
Bowser knock some leather in France. Yeah, them
First
lose.
division team, you
Yeah,
know?
bro, he man knock some leather and play good against PSG and thing.
Oh, yeah.
Bowser need to get on the score
He
sheet.
have a score.
Bowser need to get on the score sheet.
Shema Nicholson.
Give me a trick, dog.
Whoa.
Give me a trick, dog.
Against Grenada.
Yeah.
Cause
We are talking about whoa. We're supposed to.
six
A whole heap. We're
Yeah,
supposed
but
to fill up Grenada, man.
why you think say it be him? Why you say him need to get you?
Bowser's supposed to start.
Yeah.
Maybe if somebody originally get called, I probably said same now gonna start. But Bowser's supposed to get start. This for replacement after half. So me I expect to see Bowser. One man have a score though.
Them are good.
Them are gonna score. Them are gonna score.
In both games.
Right now. Nah, go and just bet now.
I'm bet and gamble for.
Bro, me that put my life savings on it.
So them are score against Haiti.
I look for Mr. Grenada we are play, bro.
But then
Tomorrow.
how big is your life savings?
You're disrespectful in the dog.
Cause your life savings and my life savings are with the 2 different life savings. So me couldn't tell me I could put my life savings.
Anything on me have. I could have $1, I could have $10 million. Me I put it on them.
You have $10 million.
What you know about me, youth?
You know, say you don't have $10 million.
Why? I don't want them close there. You know? The man come here so on the internet in front of 10,000 people. Me love that number.
At
You know?
least.
10,000 people and I just tell them saying me now have $10 million. I do. Now I'm broke like back here. No nobody come rob me. You know what I mean?
Come in, man.
Broker than buckle. It's rob you. Anyways. Shema Nicholson. Need a big game. Also Liam Bailey, as you say.
Bro,
More
make
so
we
this new
talk.
kid of
Make we talk. Oh, Kara Anderson.
yeah.
Make we talk.
Big X same way.
Make we talk.
Big
boy.
tree.
Make we talk.
Think
boy.
Michael get back him tree?
Well, Ethan are there, so Michael.
You can wait 3 or 4.
3 pinnacle, bro, or a 4 pinnacle. So who were the 3?
Like
5 pinnacle to back.
5 pinnacle, dog.
So we have to have foolishness. A 5, I'm a rebel, will have a 4 same.
Who will have a 3, dog?
Michael Hector have get back him 3, bro.
Depends, let me check that.
Hector have get back him 3. People, Hector have get back him 3, innit?
What a 3. Come on, number. You can't get it, sorry. Sorry, bro, you can't get it, bro. You can't get it, bro. Me have to wait 21. Sorry. 22.
18.
18. You cannot get the 3. You really gotta take off a pepper them call the dogs, you know. You really gotta take off Kevin Lambert number and put my Michael Hector back?
Yeah.
You want that? You're mad.
Give back. Michael in 3, man.
No, bro.
It's up to me.
And Kevin Lambert has start over Michael Hector right now too.
No, them not start.
Him not start, yeah, but because him not start.
But you good listen, Michael Hector in your back line and walk out tomorrow. Yeah, I tell you.
Nah start.
Beside our Nana same way.
This Sean Bernard and Nana. But then, who knows, Nana probably will get a rest. Hey Nana, brother, come like every time Damien don't play for Philly, make the team a week, you know? Our team a day or sitting, you know? Watch the, you know?
I'm not worried about Damien, no. Yeah, man,
Damien is such a good footballer.
Yeah.
Such an underrated footballer.
So that would
I don't care. Because watch, you know what I'm saying? I don't think he's underrated in America. But the reggae boys fans, Jamaican fans underrate Damien though. Underrate Damien though.
He deserve better.
Brother, take Damien though to Jamaica squad.
I love him. I love the fans them too, you know.
Man love the fans, bro. But I don't know what more Damien
treat
Lowe can do. The man is such a good footballer. And yeah, as I say, underrated. Who else? Al Grimson? What kind of games are these for Al Grimson? Must win?
I must win. I must win. We need to top the group for get the best to get Costa Rica. We get Costa Rica, we beat Costa Rica. Gone through to the final. You know what I say? We're going through.
Quarters are next round.
The next round I gotta be. So you have 4 teams we got through already. You get me I say?
And then 4 more.
No, wait. Look
Or
before
around
we
the
talk
16.
foolishness.
I don't really like talk foolishness.
Yeah, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think you have the top 4 teams get a bye, right?
Yep.
And alright, look on the bracket. Or them not sure.
Yeah, see, bracket it. Probably if I go on CONCACAF website. But the groups, we can see the qualification. So the top 2 teams from each team make it to the quarterfinals. So the next one is quarterfinals. So Green are quarterfinals.
That's a League C, bro.
No, man,
League A
League
different.
A,
The League A different.
the League A, yeah.
Oh.
So
So 2
two groups
yeah.
and 2 teams lead each group. So Trinidad and Panama lead for them group right now, and Jamaica and Cuba lead one group. But we're tie on point. So we need for a statement games, man. Yeah. We can't tool up 3-1
Make sure how we beat them, we just need to beat them.
Yeah, but this game for sure, more dump up Grenada, and I feel like we have a bit. I want to see Kid run out.
Is that match previews on the
We don't know much about Grenada, but we can talk about our team.
We could do the team news.
We mean team news, predicted lineup.
Yeah.
You want a predicted lineup or all lineup? You want, we'll say where arguments are going to go because that kind of fun.
And gamble same way. Tell it after here.
No, then what the point? Some money on it.
Some money on it. Alright, the closest to the starting lineup with Al Gibson bring. Paid next month, grind.
No, we don't really want to gamble on the internet. You know like how Fox do and Skip and Shannon is doing them diet do. Me like. So me tell you me like.
A Red Bull, bro.
No, not a Red Bull.
Forget a Red.
Red Bull not good for promote right now.
Why?
Eh?
Why Red Bull not good for promote?
You do caffeine and the bag of race me out thinking about that. Me I tell you I'm nothing against Red Bull. You don't want to give us a promotion and deal with the same.
No, but they killed the promotion a while ago.
Cut it out.
Me love Red Bull. A Red Bull, if you hear me right now,
me could do Red Bull.
I'm one of your biggest fans.
Me could do Red Bull. Alright. Who win the bet?
Red Bull.
No, a 4-pack, where you talk about?
4-pack.
A 4-pack, where you talk about?
Pack a Red Bull.
You might try to get out of this with a 5 days bet. No.
But me I go win.
Anyways, so who get the predicted lineup? Spot on. We are gonna do goal scorers for them.
Our closest.
We are gonna do
2-2. People.
Alright, so we are gonna do goal scorers. Which one you want? You want the goal scorers or match or scoreline?
Scoreline.
Scoreline, yeah. So we are gonna predict the lineup on scoreline or goal scorers and scoreline?
Predicted lineup.
Predicted lineup. So if each one have 2 can a Red Bull on the line. Predicted lineup. Let me hear it. What Grimmy are gonna do? Put on your Grimmy cap, right?
Alright.
Give me cap.
Put
on the Grimmy cap. Put on the Grimmy cap.
I have to worry about it. You don't really see Grimmy in a cap same way. Because Grimmy is a youth just so.
But go on, put on whatever Grimmy wear.
Alright. So in goal versus Grenada. Tempted for say Jamal away. I think he might go away. But I go Blakey.
Yeah.
You get me?
Safe.
And then at left back, Greg Lee, I got start. And got some maps no come, so that make it difficult. Between Maps and Bernard. That make it difficult to know who I'm going. So Bernard and Damien Lowe, right back. Think you might go lem the Kisa, bro. Think you might go lem the Kisa. And then
we don't care about injuries, by the way. So nobody pick up no injury in a squad. We don't care.
In a mid pitch. Let me see this really quick. Yo, people, you see that transition there?
But remember, say Anthony under there.
Yeah. You can take it back off the screen now.
You can't make it stay up.
So Lembi Kisa, and for Grenada, I think same I go Joel same way. You get me? I say?
Yeah.
And beside of Joel, I'm gonna go DJ and Bobby, Lamar Gray, Shamar Nicholson, Leon Bailey.
It's because me that got the same lineup, I'm gonna switch it up. Just to make it fun.
No, bro, if I got the same, then we just do goal scorer and
Me I go for it. Think Javin Brown starts this game. Javian Brown. So the only change I make to this team right now. Javian Brown.
So you think I'm going to let your DJ and Bobby?
That's how I make team. And Javian Brown. That's a good bet. The Javian Brown Lemmy-Kisa is a good bet.
Yeah,
So right now, 2 can of Red Bull. And Javian Brown versus Lemmy-Kisa. Which one starts? That's the bet they put.
Yeah.
Alright. Next bet. Where I go?
Score line.
It's
Greneda.
Yeah.
Alright. So me go half a limb. Me go half a limb and me go say Jamaica underwhelming performance. I beat Grenada 3-0.
So we draw with we get 4-0 from Grenada last game they play. Game before that, them draw 1-1 with Suriname, then them draw 1-1 with Guyana. And then them get 7-1 from America in the Nations League before that. Before the Gold Cup.
Now you go off the limb and say we perform poorly. And go 3-0.
3-0?
Yeah. Poor performance. 3-0.
4-0.
4-0.
4-0. I want to go 5 in a row. 5-0. 5-0 Jamaica.
And don't get me wrong, you should be able to 5 them easily.
5-0 Jamaica.
But we just think we're going to find
goals. See what
goals.
we do with the same kids of the world.
Find goals hard to come
We'll
by.
see what we do with the same kids of the world. We'll see how we can play against like a Trinidad and Tobago.
So I'm saying we should
5-0.
We should set them off, 5-6, But we think we are gonna be lackluster and not do it.
5-0, 2 can Red Bull on the line, we'll have a 4-pack on the line. You don't know, I'm gonna come here and start sitting Red Bull same way. Probably tomorrow, no, not tomorrow night, the day after that. I don't think you're gonna go. You wanna probably wall out for me because I make him know say, oh, I need my Red Bull left. You see me? So, that's that. Goal scorers. This is not a bet.
Yeah, so the Margaret scores again.
Write that down. Just write that down.
So that's a one. The Margaret scores again. I think, as I said, I think it will be tough going for us. I think Damian Lowe gets himself on the score sheet.
I agree with both of those.
And bro, Shamar Nicholson do.
Shamar Nicholson back at least 2 goals.
Him half his score now.
Shamar Nicholson back at least 2 goals tomorrow. Write it down.
So I think him due.
Put your money on it, people. Shamar Nicholson at least 2 goals tomorrow.
Especially like him play at a higher level, him play decent football.
Yeah.
I think him due.
Yeah.
I think just by the law percentage, just by averages, bro.
It's on the right.
Yeah.
It's on the right. And last time I see Shamar Nicholson in the National Stadium, it wasn't great. I'm saying it never looked sharp. Never looked match fit either. And got the move recently, playing some football, playing some good football. Seemed to be enjoying his football. You feel like him on the French. Next time I see Boza, I'm gonna say, yo, hola, ¿cómo estás? You see me?
Man, I go look for you and say, yo, they're French too, A Spanish I talk while ago.
A Spanish, you just talk.
Yeah.
But the French is the French is bonjour Shamar. Ça va bien? Ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Et tout? Yeah. That's a little French, I remember.
All you do I get a teacher, actually.
I'm gonna do again. You see, I tell you actually, never hear like I'm gonna say, yo, they really love me.
Big up my stamps every time. My French teacher didn't name me.
You're the French in our school?
Didn't name me.
You're the French in our school?
Send you out of VLU. That's the dog, the white man that come from France.
So them couldn't get a Jamaican to teach them.
So get the from source, dad.
A friends in government?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Could have barely understand English.
Never meet a French person.
Chacha. And culture.
Anyways, we that people, we are chatting for 50 minutes. Why we can chat?
You can chat, you just listen. I never said that much, to be honest.
Just make sure you have my Red Bull, just that me. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to this side at Sports.
Why you win the second bet?
Get in on the bet, by the way. Get in on the bet.
Really
in
want
the live
to win
chat,
the second bet.
In the live chat,
yeah.
Let us know what's the starting lineup that Grimmy will go with. What's the score line? Both of us are saying that Jamaica should dump up Grenada. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section. And with that, if you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to this side at Sports TV. And the one more thing first, though.
Share the video to at least 10 people to ensure to get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, do you know how many subscribers that would get us by the end of the day? People sound like a bad DJ saying.
Yeah, she sells seashells by the seashore.
That is it.
I know, go on, is it?
Hungry was a person